Hi there, welcome to my studio. Today I want to share with you an episode that happened to me a few days ago. But it's a secret, don't tell anyone. So don't tell anyone. I was painting a really small portrait on the canvas and I was filming all the process. But probably I wasn't in the right mood, maybe I was scared or bored about it. The portrait was so far away different. I thought, okay, I was just overwhelmed. So I decided to have a walk and I just threw straight away the canvas in the bin. I walked to Clissold Park, my favorite park in London so far. And I was watching a beautiful sunset, it was so relaxing. I came back home in a different mood and I saw a video I was taking before and I just realized that the portrait wasn't so bad as I was thinking and I was just shocked. Please subscribe to my page, put the ring on and leave a comment, a like. And if you want, come to visit me on Instagram. Thank you. I was just shocked. It wasn't as bad as I was thinking about. I ran into the bin, I opened the bin outside and I just take my artwork back. And I just realized that the portrait wasn't so bad as I was thinking. And it was just a work in progress. I worked on it on the next day and the result was just perfect. The person I portrayed, she was so happy about it. Why I'm telling you that story? Because I want to share with you these 5 points about how you shouldn't be in your artworks. Number 1, trust the process. Don't let the exasperation take over you. Try to stop yourself. Try to add in texture and colors and make it better. You can always cut pieces of the artworks and make a new collage or just paint again on it. Whatever makes you feel creative, please do it. Second point, you can always recycle the canvas. You can paint it on it again and our planet will be glad of it. For example, I portrayed a group of gorillas and I used a canvas where I was painting few horses on it. Everything is always possible. And if you think about also Leonardo da Vinci paint the Mona Lisa a few times before finding the right one. Third point, do it for people, not just for yourself. Because probably you don't like your work, but maybe someone does. As someone said once, he was throwing away his artworks and a neighbor saw it and asked, "Can I take it?" And I said, "Yeah, of course, I'm just being it." And that guy sell it on a garage sale. So don't be silly, take care of your art. Fourth point is time. If you don't see the final result, it's just not finished yet. As my motto say, good things take time. I start with something that probably looked like formless at the beginning, and then you have to keep on doing, keep on painting, and step by step you have to see it. It will take a form as a sculpture. Trust the time. Fifth point, do it for your memory. You can monitor your upgrades. You can see where have you been and where are you going. See all the journey. How can you improve? How can you do better? Art is a journey, I promise you. And you can find confidence again. Of course, 70% of your art is crap. It's a journey of crap that bring me here. I believe it's important to keep as much as you can of your art with you, as a reminder of your progress. So now I want to leave you with a question. Have you ever thrown away your artworks in the bin? And how did you feel later? Just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a love and creative weekend and see you soon. Bye!